Hello, in this video I'll show you how to see who you follow on Character AI. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is just simply open your browser, then just simply open Character AI. After that, click on the first link over here. Then, just to know who you follow on Character AI, all you have to do is just simply click on your profile name, which is available right over here. Or you can also choose this option right over here. Just simply go there and click on profile. Now, if you're using the old site, you can also do that. So let's say, for example, if you're still using the old website, what you have to do is just simply click on your profile, which will be now available right over here, besides over here and here. Click on this icon and then it will open up your profile directly. Over here, you will have the two options, followers and followings. Now, in order to see who you follow, choose this option, the following option. Now, once you will do that, you will be able to see the people that you follow currently, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.